Hey Semi Fam, so today we have three different Korean snacks we're going to try out. We're going to have Chochung U-Gua rice snack. Don't really know what it is, but in the first ingredient is rice, and then rice oil, sugar, so it's gonna be some kind of sweet rice thing with sesame. Okay, buddy, I need a little bit of room here. Could you, excuse me, thank you. Then we have cuttlefish snack. This looks promising. I don't think I've ever had cuttlefish before, and I've certainly not had it in a snack form. This is some kind of wheat treat. The first ingredient is wheat flour. And then there's like fish flavors with anchovy extract, mushroom, cuttlefish extract. Sounds promising. Ooh, and this will probably end up being my favorite. Hot chili chips. Yeah. Oh. Spicy and tasty potato chips with chili powder and other various spices. Oh, and this is actually Taiwanese, I guess. Rich cut. Well, let's go for this first because I have the least idea of what it is. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh my god, it's really hard to open. Alright, there we go, finally. Oh my god. Oh, it's got like a little sesame on here. That's so cool. These are not for kitties. These are not for kitties. These are not for kitties. You have your own treats. You have your own treats. You have your own treats. You will get some of your treats later. So it tastes kind of like Tritya. It tastes kind of like kettle corn, actually. I really, really like it. Oh my god, it's so good. It's sweet, a little bit of a deeper flavor to it. I think it comes from the sesame. It's so great. No, you get some of your treats later. Look at what I got you at the store today. Look at all of this. All this kitty food I got you. You'll get your food later. You'll get your food later. Follow it. Follow it up. Bam. So good. Love the sesame. There's actually sesame seeds on here. The crunch is just to die for. I'm gonna have to stop myself though because I want Sammy Girl to taste this because she'll love it. Oh my god. This is daddy food. This is people food. Okay, next up. Alright. These are amazing. Next up, we're gonna try. Buddy, you'll get your food later. We're gonna try the cuttlefish snack here. First thought, there's a little less glue on this. It's a little easier to open. That was nice. Oh, these are so cute. Oh my. Here, look at this one. They look like little fishies. And they look like little perforated like rice cereal like you would have here. These look and smell and taste like cat food. Cannot blame my cat for being into them. That being said, I really like it. Oh my god. Here, lick my fingers. Just lick my fingers. Yes, anchovy extract. I know you like it. You want to lick my mouth? No? You think that's weird? I think that's weird too. This is going to have to be a quick review because he's trying to get at me so hard. Buddy? Really good. I don't think as good as the Chochung U-Gua, or however you say it. Sorry, I'm saying it wrong. I'm just a stupid American. The other rice snacks, but these are very fun. They're not sweet. They're very savory, which I like in a snack. Not all snacks need to be, you know, sweet. Fun to have a savory snack, especially get your butt out of the shop. Fun to have a seafood flavored snack. I appreciate that. Very tasty. If you like kind of cat food flavors. I don't know why some of these are pink on here. None of these are pink in here. That's a goddamn lie. Buddy, no. You're really not gonna like this one. This is a hot chili flavor. Rich cut. I don't know what rich cut means. They're thick. Okay, buddy, just wait. Stop rubbing your tail on the microphone. Stop rubbing your tail on the microphone. Okay, please. Por favor. Mi amigo. Mi gato. I love you. I love you. But. There, go over there. Oh, yeah, it is very thick cut. This is not for kitties. Kitties don't want no spicy food. Oh. Oh my lord. Oh, praise the Lord. What's up in here? Oh, I can taste it. This is not just hot, but it's delicious flavor, a little bit of sweetness. It's spicy and a little bit sweet. And there's a lot of garlic powder in here. I see it's like potatoes, palm oil, sugar, garlic powder. First 4 ingredients. Amazing. And then you go down, there's some BS stuff. Onion powder, love it. Soy sauce powder, amazing. Spices, carrot, celery, onion, leek. These are such good flavored chips. And they're spicy. They got little onion and leek and garlic, soy sauce on them. Spicy and sweet. And they're not too greasy. I think one of the revelations of this video is that these caramucho, however they're pronounced, these are my new favorite potato chips. These are amazing. Cuttlefish snack, pretty good. This, the rice snack, the U-Gua or whatever, chochong, this stuff, to die for. But as long as I'm having snacks, gotta treat my little buddy right. 1 second, let's get him a treat. So for Miso, we are going to be having, or he's going to be having, kitty cravings, crunchy cat treats with real tuna. Yeah. For some reason, they have calorie content here on the cat food. No, you don't get in the cuttlefish chips. But it's, one treat is 1.2 calories. I'm so glad we know that, you know. I don't know if that's a lot or not a lot for a cat. And And the first ingredient on here is tuna, so that's important. I'll let you have two, buddy. Come on, come here. You can find it. It's in my hand. Come here. That's the tip of my fingers. No? Yeah, there you go. One more. You get one more when you finish with that one. Come on. Come on. It's right here. Come on. Chew. Yeah, lick my fingers all you want. No, don't follow the bag. Follow the smell. There you go. Okay. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you see any of those products in your stores, try all of them, especially the rice snack and this nice garlicky chili chips. They're delicious. Get out of there, buddy, please. Please, come on.